Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to this one. Later that we do first the derivative for the both sides. First derivative of ln(x), you got about 1 over x. This one that is about the constant, so you got about 0 in here. Because we don't have number 3 in here, so I will put number 3 go to the left, and we have the u over number 3 equals to the x over x. So this one I will change by u. The x over x we change by the u over number 3. The integration of u to the power of 4, we have u to the power of 5 over 5, and we put about c. About u, that's about this one. Number 3 and number 5, you got about 15. And this is the final answer. That is the end. Thank you for watching.